So today, I'll show you how to enable the continuous heart rate monitoring on the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. So this feature basically continuously monitors your heart rate throughout the day whenever you have worn your smart band. So to enable this feature, tap on the smart band to access the watch face, then swipe up from the bottom of the screen to access the app menu, then scroll down and find the option heart rate. So select that, and then once you select it, so within the heart rate options, scroll down and find the option settings. Here it is, select it, and then within the settings, tap on the continuous monitoring option. So the first option, tap on it, and then from here you'll see a couple of options. So you can choose either to allow it to smartly continuously monitor your heart rate, or you can choose the time interval, be it 1 minute, 10 minutes and 30 minutes. So choose the option you desire. So for me, I'll put it at smart. That's the best one. Then once done, you have enabled that particular feature. So additionally, you can enable this feature using the Mi Fitness app. So grab the phone that is paired to your Smart Band 9 and launch the Mi Fitness app. Then within the Mi Fitness app, tap on the health option, then scroll and find the heart rate option. So select it, and then within the heart rate options, tap on the three dots at the upper right corner, and from the options that appear, select on settings, and then from here find the continuous monitoring and select it, and now you can choose the option you desire. So that's basically how to turn on the continuous monitoring, or rather the continuous heart rate monitoring on the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you find this video helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.